Welcome to Day 1 French, episode 20 of 20. I'm Louis, and this is graduation day.
And I'm Claire. No new vocabulary today, no new grammar. Today we simply hand you a real French news bulletin, 4 stories, about 90 seconds, read the way French radio reads it, and you understand it.
You'll hear it twice. First time, just listen. Let it wash over you, and notice how much arrives on its own. Don't chase the words you miss. There will be a few, and that's fine. Catch the stories.
Ready? Here is the news. Bonjour, voici les informations. L'élection est dimanche et les sondages sont très serrés. Le président a déclaré hier, cette élection est très importante pour la France. Il fait 40 degrés dans le sud et il n'y a pas de pluie. Dans le nord, il fait plus froid et les trains sont pleins. Les médecins sont en grève lundi. Ils disent « Nous avons beaucoup de travail et moins d'argent. Beaucoup d'hôpitaux ne sont pas ouverts. » Et le sport. L'équipe de France a joué hier soir devant 80 000 supporters et elle a gagné le match. C'était les informations.
So, how much of that arrived? Be honest. Probably more than you expected. 4 stories. The election, a heat wave, a doctor's strike, and the national team won.
And notice the furniture of a bulletin, because you'll hear it every single day from now on. It opens with Good morning, here is the news. Bonjour, voici les informations. And it closes with That was the news. C'était les informations.
The news, les informations. Always plural in French, the informations. Friends shorten it to les infos. It's the last big word of the series, and from tomorrow, part of your daily life. Your turn, say the opening line. Repeat after Claire.
Bonjour, voici les informations. Très bien. And the sign off too, that was the news. Repeat after me. C'était les informations. C'était les informations.
Second listen. This time, you have assignments. Story 1, catch when the election is. Story 2, catch the temperature. Story 3, catch what the doctors say, after the colon. Story 4, did they win or lose?
Here we go. And remember, you own every frame in this bulletin. Bonjour, voici les informations. L'élection est dimanche et les sondages sont très serrés. Le président a déclaré hier, cette élection est très importante pour la France. Il fait 40 degrés dans le sud et il n'y a pas de pluie. Dans le nord, il fait plus froid et les trains sont pleins. Les médecins sont en grève lundi. Ils disent « Nous avons beaucoup de travail et moins d'argent. Beaucoup d'hôpitaux ne sont pas ouverts. » Et le sport. L'équipe de France a joué hier soir devant 80 000 supporters et elle a gagné le match. C'était les informations.
Check your answers. Sunday, 40 degrees. The doctors say they have a lot of work and less money. And they won. Claire, the winning words. One more time and say them with her.
Elle a gagné le match. Elle a gagné le match. If you caught even 3 of those 4, Louis, that's a person who understands French news.
20 days ago, we made you a promise. From zero to ready for real daily French news in 4 weeks. Let's check the receipts. The verbs to be, to have, to live, to work, to play, to win, to lose, to say, to come, to go, to eat, to drink, to want, to begin, to end, to strike, to build, to create, to meet.
Hundreds of words across the lesson sheets: politics, weather, transport, money, sport, food, the map, the calendar, the 4 articles, the silent plural, the negation sandwich, and 3 ways to ask any question.
And the deep machinery, the silent letters, the apostrophe that smashes words together, the 4 20s numbers, avoir plus a past form for yesterday, aller plus a verb for tomorrow, and telegram headlines.
5 minutes a day got you here. The complete master sheet, every word, every table, every quirk is at linguawire.com/day1. Print it. It's your map of everything you now own.
So, what now? Now the whole point. This series exists to deliver you to one place. LinguaWire A1 Daily French News. A new episode every day. Real news stories. Actual stories from that morning's headlines in slow, clear A1 French. Built exactly for where you are right now.
It works just like today's bulletin, the same furniture, the same speed, the same kind of vocabulary. You've already proven you can do it. The only difference is that from tomorrow, the news is real.
So here's your final homework, and it takes 30 seconds. Open the show notes, tap the link, and subscribe to LinguaWire A1 Daily French News. A fresh episode lands in your player every morning. 5 minutes with your coffee, the same habit you've kept for 4 weeks, just with real headlines now.
And the program grows with you. When A1 starts to feel comfortable, and it will, A2 is waiting, then B1. Real news, every level, all the way up. The daily training, the archive of all 20 lesson sheets, and your interactive homework live at linguawire.com.
One more thing, and it genuinely matters. A rating in your podcast app is the #1 way other people discover this show. 30 seconds from you puts day one in front of the next beginner. And if you have thoughts for us, the feedback link is at the bottom of the LinguaWire website.
That's Day 1 French, all 20 episodes. Whether you binged it in a weekend or walked it day by day, you did the thing most people only talk about. You started a language and you finished what you started.
It has been a genuine joy. Claire, the last word is yours. In French, naturally.
C'était Day 1. Vous êtes prêts? À demain au journal.
That was day 1. You are ready. See you tomorrow at the news.